What's wrong? Show me your arm. It's nothing. Show me. Fine. She got big. She got big. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Just calm down. Calm down. Let the gun down now. Lay down. What you mean she got big? No. Don't worry. I'm gonna make this quick. I'm gonna make it quick. I'm gonna make it quick. That's your friend. She ain't my friend no more. She is your friend. You can't just do that. Well, you know the saying, keep your enemies close and your friend's dead. That ain't what it says. I can't do it. Give me the gun. No, give me the gun. No, give it now. Give me the gun. No. Why you shoot her? I didn't shoot her. I did. Why? I just got scared. She was twitching and she was like, ah. Why you shoot him? He was explaining. Oh, he want. No. Oh, I thought.